First of all, my dear brothers and sisters, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 1 on the topic ordinary differential equation, so now we are going to learn introduction part 1. So friends, listen here, this topic, ordinary differential equation topic, is very simple and very easy to crack, even it is a 15-mark question. If you want to crack that 15-mark question, you have to be very much strong on the basics. So totally, I am planning to post 5 parts on the introduction itself. So try to watch all the introduction and be strong on the introduction, and then watch the 2-mark questions video, 3-mark question, 5-mark questions video. And if you are strong on all those steps, getting 10 and 15 mark from this topic will be very much simple. So I am here to not to make you clear or not to make just a pass. I am here to make you to get 100 out of 100. It is sure, I am guarantee that you can able to get 100 out of 100 in this engineering mathematics topic, but you have to be little bit strong on the basics. Got it? So learn from the basics, surely you can able to get good marks. So here in this introduction, that is in part 1, before learning the definitions of all those ordinary differential equation, now we can learn what is the general format, how the question will be asked in this ordinary differential equation, what are all the different format of questions are there. First let we learn that, and then we can go with all the definitions on this topic, right? See here, this will be the general form of linear differential equation. D square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equals to k. So this will be the general form. So here they have denoted by another word called second order equation. Why this is called a second order equation? If an equation, just see, if an equation that starts with d square number 2, you can able to see d square. If it is number 2 here, the equation starts with a square, then it is called a second order. In case, if the equation starts with d cube, then it is called as third order equation. Got it? If an equation that starts with d power 4 divided by dx power 4, then it is called as fourth order equation. In case, if the equation starts with d power 1 y by dx power 1, then it is called as what? First order equation. Understood? So this word denotes second order, first order, third order, fourth order. So all those stuff that denotes only based on the starting term of the equation. If it is d square, second order. If it is d cube, third order. If it is d power 4, fourth order. If it is d power 1, first order. Got it? So second thing, what you need to observe here is the value of p and the value of q. So here p and q, got it? So p and q denotes the constants. So in the place of p and q, you can able to see a constant term. Got it? So here equal to k. So here the k denotes in this area, in the place of k, it can be a constant. Constant can be there, or else function of x. Most important word, function of x. Got it? Just listen carefully. In the place of k, you can able to see any constant. For example, you can able to see even 0. Or else, in the place of k, you can able to see function of x. Function of x is nothing but sin x, cos x, cosecant x, or x square. Understood or not? So p and q, definitely it will be a constant. But in the place of k, it can be a constant, or else it can be function of x. So function of x is nothing but these are the things. Sin x can be one function of x, cos x function of x, tan x function of x. Understood or not? So in this place of k, there are two chances. Either you can able to see a constant, or else you can able to see function of x. So here I have taken one example question from this topic. So this is the way the question will be asked in this topic. And every time you can able to see this question while comparing with, try to compare with the general format. So what order equation it is? Just guess. This is one of the question I have taken from this topic. By seeing this question, you can decide which order equation it is. Which order it is? Second order. Why? Because you can able to see the equation that starts with square. So you can say it's a second order equation. Just compare with the general format, d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. So plus p. So p, what I have told you, is a constant. So here the constant will be plus 11. Got it? So this will be the value of p. So plus p dy by dx, dy by dx. Next q will be another constant. So q value will be minus 6. So this denotes q. So is equals to, just now I have told you, the value of k can be a constant, or else the value of k can be function of x. You can able to see equal to sin x. Got it? So always in the question that is from ordinary differential equation, this will be in the general format. All the questions in this topic will be in the general format. That's what I have told you here. Got it? Second, the same question can also be expressed as in this way. You should not get confused by seeing this question. D square y plus 11 into capital dy minus 6y is equals to sin x. Both are same. Both the equations are same. This equation and this equation both are same. So the only difference here is the capital D denotes d by dx. Got it? So instead of d by dx, they will denote by a capital D. You can able to see d square, got it? D square by dx square. They have denoted by capital D square. Understood or not? D by dx. Instead of d by dx, they have written as capital D. So friends, understood or not? So this capital D denotes d by dx. And this capital D, they would say operation of differential. Differential. It's nothing but differentiation, right? The capital D denotes differentiation. We can learn all those stuffs later on, but you need to understand both the equations are same. How it is same? So instead of d by dx, they are writing the complete expression as capital D. In case, if it is, example I am saying, in case if it is d cube by dx cube, they will denote this as capital D cube. Understood or not? If it is d square by dx square, they will denote the complete expression by capital D square. Understood? So here if it is d cube, then they will capital D cube. Here it is square, then d square. Got it? So friends, that's it. I think this is enough in this introduction part 1. This is more than enough. So what are all the things we learned here is, first we have learned the general format of differential equation. So this will be the general format of linear differential equation. Got it? So in this equation, why it is called a second order? Because if the equation that starts with d square, then it is called a second order. In case if it is d cube, third order. If it is d power 1, first order. Got it? Second important thing is the value of p and q. So p value and q value, it will always be a constant. What about k? Will be two chances. Either the value of k can be constant, or else the value of k can be function of x. What is called as function of x? Sin x, cos x, etc. These are called as function of x. And then I have taken one example question from this topic, and I have explained you by comparing with the general format. Got it? So it's equal to k. You can able to see this is called as function of x. Got it? And secondly, the same question can also be expressed in this way. And how they have expressed in this way? Where capital D is called as d by dx. So instead of d by dx, they will usually write this as capital D. You can able to see d square y by dx square. It can be written as capital D square. So d by dx can be written as capital D. Got it? So this is the another way of expressing. And remember one thing, capital D is what? Operation of differential. Yes, we can learn all those steps, but you need to remember it. Capital D is called operation of differential. Got it? So that's it about this introduction part 1. So in the part 2, we can learn many different concepts, basics about this expression. And then part 3, part 4, if you are strong in the basics, then solving all the questions in this ordinary differential equation will be very simple. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for this engineering mathematics, so it will be very much easy for them to clear this exam. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.